Hi, this is Techno Gadget, and we are here for the unboxing and review of the latest product of MyPow, the Play Bulb Candle. It's a Bluetooth smart LED light. As I mentioned, Bluetooth because it's controllable via Bluetooth using your phone, Android phone, or Apple devices. You just need to download the app, the Playbulb X, in either Play Store or App Store to control it. So first, let's open the box and see what we have inside. So this is the unit, and this is actually also a candle holder. You can just flip it over, put the candle here. And since this is a Bluetooth enabled device, it needs some sort of power. However, this one doesn't have a built-in battery, so we need to insert 3 AA batteries. So we just twist this one, insert batteries, and turn it on. So there you go. It's now emitting light, and while watching how the lights glow, let's open this one. So basically, this one this one is an instruction on how to replace the scent chip. So it seems to have a scent chip embedded here. There's also a quick start guide, and there are 1, 2, 3 spare of scent chips. I don't know exactly their scent, but you have 3 in the box. So let's open my phone and let's see. As you can see, I downloaded it earlier. Again, this is the Playbulb X. So let's connect, and there you go. So as you can see, it's Playbulb. So you can actually change the color. Now it's blue. Now we can change it to white, green, or red, or anything in between. See? Okay. Can change the color. There's also effect. You can see it's candle effect, which means it's light is glowing. There's also flashing, pulse, and rainbow. On top of that, you can also control this one by blowing it, but since I'm doing the video, you cannot see that I'm blowing it. But as you can see, there's a microphone here. This one detects the sound or the air coming to the candle. So if I tap it, you can see the light turns off, and just do it one more and the light came back on. So basically, it's a nice trick to your kid or your friend. So it's cool product. So basically, that's it for the Playbulb candle. By the way, MiPow also have different products similar to this, the Playbulb Rainbow and the Playbulb Color.